Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 9224 Wabaday. We've been out here, cabled it probably less than a week ago. It's already backed up again. So they want to get this inspected. They believe there's going to be something possibly in the cast iron that's gone bad. So we're going to inspect it from the yard, clean out here. We're going to run towards the house. And we're going to look at it and see what we got. We'll be right back. Alright, so I got my camera run towards the house. We're here at about 40 feet. As you see, there's multiple objects in here. It might be a piece of collapsed pipe here. We'll go ahead and locate and mark that. I guess our cable was able to get past it at one point, because we did auger it and get it open. Or at least jogged it free. If we can go ahead and locate and mark where this spot's at. Be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and located this spot in the basement. It's 1 feet, 1 inches deep. As you see, there's some objects in there. It looks like a piece of broken pipe. Definitely recommend a repair there. I'm going to go ahead and pull it back a little more and get a locate on this line. It's in the basement near the wall, going out towards the front there in the corner. It's 1 feet, 1 inches deep. I'm going to go ahead and get another locate on. I'll be right back. Yep, like I said, I went ahead and located and marked this spot in the basement. It's 1 feet, 1 inches deep. I don't know if somebody's done a repair there. It looks like the concrete been busted up before, but not sure, but definitely not good right there. Keep pulling back. Here we are at the transition. So all that from back coming out from the transition from 6-inch or 4-inch cast into 6-inch clay. It looks to be okay. It didn't look too bad. Definitely going to recommend that one spot to be repaired. Keep pulling back. Show you the clay pipe out here in the yard. Here we are at the trap. So everything in the clay pipe looks to be good. It's all straight, no roots or anything, so it looks pretty good. Go ahead and run it out to the main and see what that looks like. Be right back. Alright, so we got our camera pushed out to MSD's line, the main out here. 27 feet, 28 feet. See, it's turning and dropping down there. Alright, so here we are at the trap. Everything out going towards the main looks nice and straight also. No cracks, no breaks, no roots. So everything except for that spot of cast iron in there in the basement. Gonna recommend that to be repaired there in the basement, and then the remainder of the line inspected going towards the stack there. Just to make sure, you know, there's no other cracks or collapses or anything like that. And that's what you got. Alrighty, thank you.